Guys, nayi entsha sha, nayi entsha, nayi izosibulala ke manje, entsha. I'm booked off sick. Now I need to take my medication and I'm alone in the house. So I decide to let me order Uber Eats. Order ke ukudla laphana eWimpy yaseColumbine. eColumbine kula ngasemuntu. Columbine Square. But order ngani nge-Uber Eats angithi hayi ukudla kuthi 186 rand. Okay, kune coffee lapho ngoba ngithanda icoffee. Ngibone kahle ukuthi no man, ethi ngigade lokudla because I need to take my medication so that I can take a nap. Ngiyagada ukudla futhi ngihleli la dining room ukuthi umuntu osikuta makafika nje ngimuzwa and ngilokhu ngiyamonitora la efonini. Ithi the guy is 4 minutes away. Manje 4 minutes away. Hayi ngihlalele eduzane nje vele. Lapha yana ngivule umnyango, mangivula umnyango ngicheck abantwana bami bahambe bahenge iwashing ngaphandle, ngilokhu ngiyacheck nyana ukuthi kuyawoma na. Mangithi ngiyezwa ukuthi manje kunokudumanyana kwesikuta but asikho egate la kwami. Ngingene endlini ngithathe i-remote but ngithi before ngipress i-remote ngizovulela igebengu la ithi ngihambe ngiyolunguza lapha egate ngoba igarage yami ifihlekile. Lo muntu lona ume between igarage la kwami negate ne uthatha isithombe sendlu yami. Mangiqhamuka ngithi hayi bhuti why ungezingala ubhuti avele ride off iscooter nange ahambe nokudla kwami abaleke nokudla kwami. Abaleke nokudla kwami guys, abaleke nokudla kwami ugaye ngizwa simumemeze the guy gone with my food as 186 rand. Alright, ngirepotile ke ka Uber and then base bazangi refund, I don't know when. But the scary part, here's the scary part ke manje. Lebe ngikwate ngakhona ngiphume ngiye laphana eWimpy ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi ubani lo guy lo obaleke nokudla kwami, umuntu ebamaziyo na. Kuthola ka ukuthi yebo vele umuntu ebamaziyo deliver lokudla lokho yabona. So but mangiqeda ukupaka laphana eWimpy before ngingena phakathi ukuthi ngiyobuza lapha yana naba labafana laba abadelivayo laba abe Uber Eats bagcwele lapha ngaphandle yabona. Baloku bayakhuluma yabo, lona omunye ukhuluma ngesizulu but accent akusesizulu yabo. And laba abanye yabona ukuthi bona ngathi nesizulu abasizwa kahle vele yabo. Uyamixanyana ukuthi yeah sikuthatha ukudla kwabo yabo. In futhi maka ngakureporta uthi kulomunye futhi mawungathola icustomer ekureportayo next time uthola iorder yayo leyo customer leyo uyisuse. Angazi ukuthi isuswa kanjani, I don't know ukuthi ususwa kanjani. Ngene eWimpy bathe eWimpy kimi yebo loyo muntu loyo bayamazi umuntu ojwayele eWimpy base ba confirm ukuthi abantu beUber Eats vele manje kulamalanga bayabaleka ngokudla kwama customer. Ba confirm ukuthi vele bayabaleka ngokudla kwama customer. So manje the thing is, even if Uber Eats refunds me and then bang refund bangipha i-credit ukuthi I can buy again, how am I going to buy because I don't even know who that guy is? What if the same guy ngoba ngirepotile ke manje ngibhale a long message to Uber Eats, what if that very same guy gets my order and then I poison? Ngorder abantwana mhlambe, I'm making an example, ngorder abantwana eMcDonald's, mina ngibhizi ngisemsebenzini maybe ngoba ngine credit 186 rand. Abantwana mama bathole McDonald's babulale ngenxa yabantu be Uber Eats because mina angiunderstandanga ukuthi le group lebe mina lapha ngaphandle nga60 beyikuta balokhu bakhuluma ukuthi maka ngakureport umuntu mabaleke nokudla kwakhe next time uthola iorder yakhe umsusa kanjani? I don't understand that statement. I just don't understand that statement. Yabona bayahleka lapho it's a joke, bayahleka lapho it's a joke. Lona omunye uzo uthi before lifika lelana elabo elokuthi siyaphuma thina la so besibaqedile. Usho ukuthini? That's a very serious statement. It's a very serious statement. It's a very serious statement. And angibaza ngithi bame lapha ngaphandle nje balo bayakhuluma. That's very serious. Uber Eats, please. I did write a message to you ukuthi I don't trust the guy with my food anymore. In fact, I don't even trust any owe Uber Eats ukuthi angaphinda ngideliver ukudla la endlini. Sengiyabasaba after the statement engizwile lapha yana and the fact ukuthi ubhuti ubaleke ngokudla sengimbhekile kanje. Ngifuna ukudla medication yami mina ngiphethelwe iflu na umuntu ubaleka nokudla. So kaphelani ke guys, and look, I mean not everybody is the same, ne? But please let us be careful. Let us be vigilant. Let us be vigilant. Let us be careful. Let us be vigilant. I mean, lento engiyizwile mina is a very serious statement. I'm not sure what it means. Usodla ukudla end up bathi food poisoning. Wena so blame i-restaurant kanti akusi restaurant. Kanti it's not where the food was made. It's not. So sisenkingeni enkulu thina esisebenzisa ama-Uber Eats for abantwana ngoba mina phela ngihlala ngibhizi. Sisenkingeni eserious. uNkulunkulu makasivikele.